Don't worry, this channel isn't turning into a hair care channel. My old man wanted a very specific brush, so I found this one on Amazon. We have, each of us, a brush like this, but these brushes are like from the 70s, and they've seen better times. Now, the brand on here says Isinis, but that company is the same company making this one, so I guess they changed their name at some point. Now, I found this on Amazon for like 30 bucks. The picture was pretty generic. I thought it was just going to be some sort of cheap knockoff, but it's not. It's the actual company. It's the actual brush. So if you've ever used these brushes and yours is wearing out, they still make them. You're probably going to have to order it online. I wasn't able to figure out how to order it from the company directly because their entire site's in French, but I found one on Amazon, and like I said, 30 bucks. It's the same idea. It's got that soft head with the bristles. There's different sizes, so this is, I can't remember what this count is, but there's this size and that size. But those brushes are still being made, and you can find them. That's it.